Newfoundland and Labrador is a mix of color and harshness, and with the landscape making you feel like you are literally on the edge of the world. It's easy to see why they call this place the Rock. But it could be argued that the people here are the friendliest in the world, and time and again they've proved that by welcoming people from far away with open arms. You don't turn your backs on people in need, is what they say here. This is a province with natural wonders. Out-of-this-world adventures, a vibrant culture, and more than a few barrels of rum. I'm Nathan. I'm on a journey across Canada, and in this episode, I'm going to see what the most easterly edge of North America is all about.